Hi, Andrew. When we were on the phone, I explained to you that we built 9 different softwares. I don't want you to think that we're all over the place, because we're not. Everything that we built, it helped build more value into our company. Like, for example, 2 years ago, we built that system that allows us to keep all the projects that were going on, all the service calls. And also, our goal is to have several subcontractors that our company can go through subcontractors. So we're trying to find the right model so we can go very fast. Our goal next year is to be between 10 million, the following year is to be over 100 million. So for us to do that, we have to have systems that are going to support that. So I built 2 systems that is going to allow us to support that. One's a project management system, and the project management system, it has auto-generating tasks. So if I go to task, I can auto-generate and I can create task automations that automatically create tasks based on the type of job that is being performed. This system keeps track of all our technicians. It also keeps track of our suppliers. We're still organizing the system, so there's a few things that are missing, but it keeps track of our subcontractors as well. And we don't need any paperwork that our technicians, all the paperwork is done through our system, so they can use their cell phones for the clients to sign the receipts. So we have e-receipts, and all the e-receipts is automatically gets populated so we can bill our clients, right, for service calls. So it keeps our organization done in that manner. So if I click right here, it's going to show you the e-receipt and the signature of the client. So it makes our company very, very organized. Also, the way we envision is for us to be able to grow to 100 million, we have to have several subcontractors performing the work. So I need very detailed pictures and scope of work on how the job is to be performed and how they perform the work for us to approve the invoice. So if I go on the projects, I have completed projects on progress, not scheduled, and missing deposit. We only do, depending on the client, we only perform certain projects with a deposit request. So we can look to see, right now we don't have anybody missing, everybody's paid or everybody's on invoice. Can be a good or bad thing. So all these are the projects that we have currently. So I have City of Manville, Public Storage, Grace Presbyterian, CSU, like we spoke about it, Stafford, Police. So if I go to CSU, let's see what information I have here. Not that many. Well, let's see what we have so I can show it to you. This is the drawing of the rail car. And let's see what we have here, the access and intercom. That's the drawing that I have, so the technicians have access, and we should have scope of work. On the other project, so if I go to Stafford Police Station, that's gonna, and the technicians have full access to it, so they can look to see what is the project. So that's one. Also, a second software that we created, we call it PAX CCTV. We saw it as a visitor management. At that bridge, we pushed the visitor management into Alfred. So that's this system over here that we created. I noticed that I was spending 20 hours a week contacting contractors to make sure that they have received the bid. Like, for example, the project for the police, the Stafford Police that we closed, there were 25 general contractors involved. So can you imagine creating the bid and making sure that everybody receives those estimates? It's quite a bit of work. So what I realized, I could simply create a system that would allow me to automatically send that information and confirm that the general contractor received that information. Also, the system keeps track of cameras, and they're all good things, and then SMS if the camera is not working, or through IP address. It can work on any IP address system. So let's go directly to, we talked about it, so if I go on, of course I can add the project, show the project, add template. I'm going to show you a project so you can understand how the system functions. So if you can see Orange Center, on this project that we created, the estimate, we had 26 people involved. So can you imagine following up with 26 people? See, my system automatically sends the email and follow up. All you have to do is add the files, and the system automatically sends the files to the users that are participating in that project. Same thing on project update. If I want to add more file or somebody else, when I add the person, he automatically receives that email. So it simplifies my entire process and saved me about 20 hours a week. So that's how I'm streamlining and automating my processes.